stop. Before you scroll past this, I need you to answer one question, honestly. The hardest working person you know, are they rich? Think about it. Your father, your mother, that uncle who never missed a day of work in his entire life. Are they rich or just tired? Because if hard work made people rich, every construction worker would be a millionaire. Every nurse would own a mansion. Every factory worker would be retired by 40. But they're not. And nobody, not one person, has ever sat down with you and explained why, until now. There are 3 truths about money that the wealthy already know. While you watch this, I'm going to tell you all 3, right now. And by the time this video ends, you will understand exactly why you are where you are, and exactly what to do about it. But I'm warning you, once you hear this, you cannot unhear it. Let's begin. Here is the first truth. Your salary was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to make you return. Think about that. If your job made you truly wealthy, you would quit, and they cannot afford that. So they give you just enough to pay your rent, just enough to buy your groceries, just enough to need next month's check. It is a leash, a comfortable one, but a leash. And the longer you stay on it, the harder it becomes to imagine life without it. The ancient wisdom says this: a man who only works for others will always need permission to eat. But a man who builds, even slowly, even quietly, answers to no one. Your salary is not your income. It is your starting point, and most people never move past it because nobody told them they could. But here is where it gets darker, because the leash is not the real problem. You are, and I say that with complete respect, because what I'm about to tell you is something nobody wants to admit. Every single day, before you even open your eyes, thousands of people are already working on one goal: getting your money, the phone notification, the sale that ends tonight, the new model, the upgrade, the limited offer, all of it, engineered by rooms full of experts, psychologists, designers, marketers, whose only job is to make sure your money becomes their money. And it's working. The average American spends $1,500 a month on things they didn't plan to buy. $1,500 every month, gone, not stolen, taken with your full permission. The ancient wisdom is clear. Do not spend what you have not yet received. Do not borrow to impress, because the man who spends to look wealthy will spend his entire life looking and never arriving. You are not bad with money. You are being hunted, and you didn't even know it. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, system bad, spending bad. So what do I actually do? This is where the third truth changes everything. And this one, the wealthy guard more carefully than anything else. The third truth is this: the wealthy do not work for money. They make money work for them. Read that again. You work 8 hours, and you get paid once, but their money works 24 hours. It never calls in sick. It never asks for a raise. It never stops. And here is how they do it. First, they give. Every wealthy person I have ever studied, across every culture, across every century, gave before they saved. Not because they had extra, because giving breaks the grip that money has over your mind. It tells your brain, I am in control, not the money. And that shift, that one mental shift, changes every financial decision you make after it. Second, they pay themselves first. Before rent, before bills, before anything, a percentage moves automatically into something that grows, not crypto, not a gamble, something boring, something consistent, something that compounds. Year 1, small. Year 5, noticeable. Year 10, life-changing. Third, they protect their time. Because here is the final truth. Money lost can be earned back. Time lost is gone forever. Every hour you spend working for someone else is an hour not spent building for yourself. The goal is not more hours. The goal is a life where your money works the hours, so you don't have to. Most people watching this will feel something right now, a shift, a realization, something clicking, and then they will close this video, go back to their day, and do absolutely nothing. Not because they can't, because they're waiting. Waiting for more money, waiting for the right time, waiting until things settle down, and the months pass, and the years pass, and the right time never comes. Because it was never coming. The right time is not a moment, it is a decision. And every single day you delay that decision is a day someone who started with less than you is pulling further ahead, right now, while you wait. The ancient wisdom does not speak gently on this. Do not delay what you know to be right, because tomorrow is promised to no one. But today is yours. Getting rich is not complicated. It never was. Give a little, save before you spend, invest consistently, and protect your time. Start today, not next month, not when you earn more. The people who understand this don't look rich. They drive ordinary cars, they eat simple food, they live quietly, but they are building something that nobody around them can see yet. And one day, without warning, without announcement, it will be undeniable. That is the real secret. Not a stock tip, not a business hack, not a shortcut. Just ancient wisdom, applied quietly, every single day without stopping. Build in silence, let the results speak, and never, ever explain yourself. Right now, before this video ends, do one thing. Open your banking app. Move 5% of whatever you have. Somewhere you won't touch it. That's it. That is how it starts. And if you know someone who is working hard and getting nowhere, send them this video. No explanation. Just send it. They'll understand. And if you want more videos like this, videos that say what nobody else will say, subscribe, because the next video might be the one that changes everything.